Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to Set of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technical analysis. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 340. Yeah, 340. Can you believe it? Yeah. Anyways, if you're catching the stream live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. If you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technical analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell. Whoa, snap! Very late here. Yeah, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. There's the amazing links to everything that we do here. Discord, Twitch. I haven't put the Cointree link there. I think I should place it so I can get the Cointree donations going through. But yeah, with that said, I know it's late, so let's get on to the technical. Sorry guys about being late today. Stuff came up. Everything's good though. Some friends stepped over and basically a little bit unannounced, and we just had to entertain them. And they just left. So yeah, now I'm jumping onto the technicals. Anyways, with that in mind, tomorrow I said there might be a stream earlier. For sure, there's not gonna be a stream tomorrow. We're gonna leave town earlier than expected, so I'm not gonna have to jump in and do the technicals. And so I'll be back on Sunday. Right, so tomorrow no stream, Sunday definitely a stream. With that said, again, thank you all for being here and joining us for this awesome stream. And let's go on to technicals, right? What is happening in the cryptosphere? We got pullback yesterday, very nice. Gaining market cap, 3.27%. Not a lot though, right? Again, starting to do that upsloping consolidation that we don't want to get. Again, today still moving up slightly, 0.19%. Is it bullish? Not really, right? Low. Negative momentum, more negative momentum, lower low on the RSI. Sitting neutral right now, 42.68. So again, still trying to determine what we want to do. Again, we just got the pullback. We got to wait for a pattern to form here on the daily. Let's wait for some consolidation to happen before we determine where we want to go. I mean, I hope we're not going to get one of those like where Bitcoin's perfectly capable of just like dumping, right? It's going to be the weekend. I hope it's going to be a slow weekend. We had a very, very active Thursday and Wednesday, right? So let's hope that tomorrow the crypto gods are going to have mercy and we're going to have a easygoing day. On that note, I'm going to move on to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin sitting at 59.75% of market cap. Yesterday it lost dominance, 0.21%. 2 days ago it was doing a spinning top, losing 0.34%. And Bitcoin sitting at a dominance of 59.76. With that, let's move on to Bitcoin. Where's Bitcoin at? 10,461.14. What? This is beautiful, dude. You know, we have good supports and resistances here. Earlier on, we're slightly above this area, right? And we're facing as rejection. And this chart is 10,547. We did manage to get above it, right? If we close below it, that's the only thing I don't like. That is a little bit on the bearish side, let's say, right? Because we're rejecting the resistance. Today, we've moved up, we wicked it, and we're pulling back down. So again, a little bit bearish looking, right? Because we're rejecting, again, that resistance. And Bitcoin is one of those, it just depends on which chart we look at. Again, against this chart on Coinbase, it's down $19. Against this chart over here, it's just down 0.36 cents, right? So not a lot. But on this chart, we're the one we've been looking at, right? We managed to get above the 10,243, which is good, right? I consider that being good. That means we're probably going to gain support there again. But we rejected 10,647. That was one of the targets that we called for yesterday. We said if we move up, we're probably going to hit that area. We've hit it, and now we want to wait for something to happen, right? I mean, we got to consolidate a little bit. You know, it's still upsloping a side. We're going to look at this in the shorter time scale. On the daily, it's just a candle, and right now we have a slightly red candle here at minus 0.36 minus $0.36 dollars, right? So 0%. So not moving a lot. Again, looking like a spinning top right now. With that coming lower, more negative momentum lower on the RSI, sitting sold at 38.41. Hasn't gone oversold, right? We could go oversold if we go down again. So just be careful, right? Bitcoin's trying to decide what it wants to do. Not being above 10,500 on this chart gets me a little bit worried. Again, kind of glad that we have support here at 10,200. I'm not sure how strong of a support it's going to be. On that note, let's go to the 4-hour. Dude, some really good gin tonic, man. So what's happening in a short time scale, right? We move down, more negative momentum, right? Lower on the other side. We didn't create anything bullish. We're trying to get the rally, or at least pullback happening. Failing to recover. It looks like we might round off here, right? Again, we've seen that happen before, right? We go here, like that. So I'm hoping we're not going to get that. We could try to rally from here again. We don't have anything bullish again on the 4 hour. Sitting sold at 32.31. Haven't gone back to neutral, right? We could try to go and break above 10,647. That would be really good, man. Hey, Shelby, how's it going, dude? Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me. Sorry for being super, super late, man. I'm checking onto that RSS thing that you told me on the Discord, man. But I'm not sure. I think they charge you for it. Right, I was looking at this, right? This is crowdcast.io, and they have some packages, like $20 a month. But 50 attendees in only 5 hours per month. I mean, I do stream a lot. I do stream almost sometimes 2 hours or an hour and a half, sometimes an hour a day. So the most they have would be this one. That is like 40 hours. I don't think you can see it, but it's 40 hours topped at $139 a month. For me, that's really not a lot. So I don't want to be topped up on the hours that I can have, right? It just makes it a little bit worrisome. But I'm going to keep on checking it out more in detail. To figure out what I can do there. Jake, your thing is also up. I'm not sure if you're with us, bro. I know it's light for you, Jake, but up there on that corner over there, the white corner, it's a coin tree thing that you asked me to place, and gotta wait for it to work, right? Anyways, on that note, let's keep on looking at the markets, man. What are we doing, man? What are we doing, man? Again, we rejected 10,647, right? Oh, yeah, right, you have to pay as a provider. Yeah, that's the packages, dude. Right? Just I can go live for free. 10 live attendees in 30-minute sessions. So that wouldn't work for me. I would already be eating 10 minutes of the stream. So, I mean, it's good though, right? Black Betty, how's it going, dude? There's so many noobs in crypto. Dude, people are getting into crypto. It's not a bad thing, right? It's like poker. Yeah, dude. Well, it's not a bad thing that we're getting more adoption, right? That's what we want. The more people that are here, the more money that flows into crypto, the more it's worth, and thus the more money to go around, and the higher value we could obtain for some of the assets because they're scarce. Chovy, I was thinking about the audio. Oh, dude, I'll check out the audio, dude. I'll check out the audio part. I'm not sure about I was looking at the video part, but I'll just write here audio. By the way, anyone who wants to ask for any coin analysis, I'll do it, right? Do you want me to look at Lend? Yeah, sure, man. I'll put it on my notes. First request of the night. All right, let me. You know how this rolls, right? We go Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, or XRP, Litecoin, Binance, and then I'll check out Lend. Right on. So what are we doing, dude? We're getting price action again, rejecting 10,647. Right? We had that line for the longest time, so. I'm not glad that that's happening. Again, I'm kind of glad that we have support and we broke above 10,243. But on this other chart, right, on the Coinbase chart, we rejected 10,500, and we know that's a critical area, right? Waiting for this to load a little bit. There we go, right? We rejected 10,547. So I'm not too glad about that, right? Again, head and shoulders, right? Broke into the downside, hit the measure move, right? We hit it actually with this candle. We get the pullback that we were expecting. We said yesterday we could be getting a pullback day. We did get a pullback day, but again, it's not really looking too strong, right? We said crypto's capable of pulling up. Again, it pulls down, upsloping consolidation, tends to break to the downside. Again, that long wick really messes with the chart, though, right? That long wick doesn't allow us to have a proper rising wedge or rising channel. So we got to consider this in the analysis. Then we'll be going lower and then higher, right? The other point that we can look at is if we ignore the wicks. Now we just go like that, and then we'll be going again. Something like that, right? So again, not looking too pretty. It looks like a broadening wedge. And those ones, if it's upsloping, again, we're probably gonna break it to the downside. Thank you for joining us, Black Betty. Thank you for being here and being a follower of the stream, I guess. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that bell, that sub. I don't think I've seen you here before. This is Stellar Crypto, by the way. Yeah, that's again sitting sold, right, at 31.61 on the other side. We really don't have anything to look at here. That's bullish or bearish. Hey, Nav, how's it going, brother? Thanks for being here, man. Really appreciate it. I know it's super late, man. I had some visitors stop by. I was a little bit... yeah, I'm doing good, man. Thank you for asking. I hope you guys are doing good as well. Had some visitors stop by unannounced, and yeah, that turned into a little bit of a reunion, and they just left. So for me, it's 11:54, and I'm about 5 gin and tonics in, six with this one. It's not water, it's gin and tonic, but cheers, guys. It is Friday, so, and I haven't had friends in a while, dude. So I'm kind of glad that people came by. Anyways, if you like what we do, hit that like the bell and that sub. Again, dude, look at that beautiful hit, right? Very, very close. The high was 10,634. We're at 10,647, right? So a couple dollars off, close enough to be a touch point. Still sound pretty energetic, yeah, dude. Doing the stream pumps me up, dude. It's weird. Plus, I usually go to bed at 2 in the morning, so then I wake up around like 7 in the morning, so I can start looking at the news. So I don't get a lot of sleep. But there's so much stuff to do, right? Because stock markets opens early. Then this is the only time I have to actually do the technicals. Late night stream hype, yeah, dude. Yeah, it's weird, dude. I go to bed really late, and then I wake up really early to look at the market. So during the week, and then I work. And then by the time I finish work, go have dinner with the kids, play with them a little bit, put them to bed. Then I jump into here. When I used to do the news before, right? I used to do the news beginning and then do the technicals. It used to be hell, because I actually had to sit down and start digesting the news earlier, and that would just take a little bit more time. Right now that I do the technicals, I just jump in and see what the market's doing. Really, sometimes I don't even look at the market on the day. We had the bullish divergence. I trust that it was going to play out. We managed to get above support at 10,200, right? It was just a matter of waiting time, right? We hit it twice. I woke up in the morning, looked at the market, or by the time I was going to bed, we're starting to go up, right? So, I wasn't too scared about losing this area. I got a little bit scared here. But, we got a good recovery, right? We got good pullback. Right now, breaking below 20, that's not what we want to see, right? The 20 simple moving average could potentially break us to the downside, and we're getting tightness off the Bollinger Bands. Look at that here, right? We tightened for a very short period of time. Again, hitting the bottom right near where we're at. If we manage to go to the top and hit the top and we don't expand to the top side, we could be really looking for another leg down, and I don't want to see another leg down on crypto. Again, remember, we have that gap from the CME that we haven't filled, and it's a reality that we could go down and fill that gap, that CME gap. And, I don't want to see crypto go that way. Anyways, what are we doing right now on the 1 hour? Because we didn't have anything in the other time scales. Going from a high to a lower high, right? And with that, we're going from positive momentum to more positive momentum, right? Creating hidden bearish potential for price action to the downside or continuation. Starting to break down there, right? Let's see, 50.43, 53, slightly higher, so that's good because we went slightly higher here, so we can actually anchor that to there. We also have the same move happening here on the RSI, right? So we have the hidden bearish that could potentially break us down. We're neutral at 42.72. And that positive momentum that we have, it looks like it wants to die out. So again, negative momentum could start building. We could start making a little more price action to the downside. So what else, dude? I think that's what I'm looking at here for Bitcoin. Again, no stream tomorrow. I know yesterday I said there might be a stream tomorrow. Like I said earlier, my plans changed. We're going to be leaving town earlier than expected, and I'm not going to have time to do a stream earlier. And I'm going to be out of town. So I'll be doing a stream on Sunday for sure, but tomorrow it's going to be a day off. I do believe, or I'm hoping, that we're going to get a slow weekend. We had a very active Wednesday and Thursday. So praying for a slow weekend, and that the gods of crypto have mercy on us, and that we don't all burn in hell on a next market crash. Because I'm not going to have a lot of internet access where I'm at. I might be able to tweet and maybe check out the charts a little bit. But it's probably going to be very slow internet, man. I want to be in a rural area, so the internet's not going to be the best. Anyways, hidden bullish, right? Potential for price action to the upside on Ethereum daily. Managed to hold support at 3,600, 3,000, fuck, dude. Ethereum's only at 300. 364.03. Again, we actually managed to hit 360, right? But again, get supports, right? We know we're areas that we could be supported. Again, we haven't dropped below that area. I'm trying to go for a little bit price action to the upside. We didn't get to a 20. It looks like we want to move down. We still have the hidden bullish to play off. Neutral at 47.01. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. So how's y'all's weekend so far? What y'all doing? Waiting for the charts to change. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, my lines are not showing up, right? Look at that. None of the work that we... There we go. Damn, dude. Internet's being super slow. Again, we had the hidden bullish. Potential for the rally. We did move up. Again, hit support. Still moving sideways, right? Impulse down, sideways. No real consolidation that I want to call here. It's just sideways motion. Again, that slowly will reset our RSI. Sold at 35.46. That's fine. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative. Low on the RSI, higher on the... Alright, sorry. Negative, less negative, low on the RSI, higher on the RSI. So not a lot here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Right on, strong bullish, right? Price action to the upside, we did rally. Pull a little bit yeah, we're doing slightly lower. Let me check this out, man. I gotta zoom in here. No, we're still higher, so that's fine. No, nothing bullish there, right? And then high, lower, high. Positive is positive, right? Going the opposite here on the other side. We'll look at that in a second. I just want to call the hidden bearish that we have from back here, right? So from here to here. That'll be from here to here, right? And we don't have it here against the RSI, so that's fine. Just against the MACD, hidden bearish potential for moving down. We did get it. And again, moving from here to here. And then here we do have it on the RSI, I believe. Let's see, 48.39, 48 and 5, slightly higher. So again, you know, hidden bearish, right? Moving down, right? And we're getting that. Again, tightness out the Bollinger Bands. Watch out. We don't want to get tight in the Bollinger Bands. If they explode, we explode. Right, and we could be going down still. Still not 100% confident that we bottomed, right? Mainly because we have not made a valid retrace. We're struggling to go up, right? Even though we had strong bullish divergence, we hit the hidden bearish, and it did play to the downside, and it's playing to the downside again, right? We haven't dropped lower than this area. That's the only thing that's giving me some comfort. But again, we do have support at 364, so you know. Let's see what the weekend's gonna have in store for us, right? A little bit worried about this. Not the best consolidation, just sideways. Let's go to XRP. XRP at 25 cents, dude. 25.32. We've gone to the moon on XRP, man. Damn it, dude. XRP really not doing anything, right? Hidden bullish, price action to the upside, managed to gain 3.92%. Not too bad. It did manage to go all the way up here to 26,692. Phase resistance and pull back down. Right now, it looks like it wants to move down again. Again, the whole market is doing the same thing. So with that, again, coming lower, more negative, right? So, sorry, less negative, lower on the RSI again. Sitting neutral at 41.43. Nothing happening on the daily. Again, just waiting for something to develop, right? We just had impulse down, so... Again, up-sloping consolidation, right? It looks like we're consolidating up-sloping, and that usually breaks us down, so that's why I don't like that. Lower, more negative momentum, lower on the RSI. Still bet, yeah, dude, still bled, of course. Yeah, dude. XRP bled less than, yeah, dude. It actually bled a lot. Well, I mean, depends on which other coins you're talking about, but if we look at the daily, man. It really took massive hits. There's nothing on the 4-hour, right? Look, it took it 6%, and then it took it an 11%. Combined, it would probably be around 18%. So 16.9. I'm probably not even targeting the bottom there, but you know, it is a violent move to the downside. Yesterday managed to recover a little bit better, right? Damn it. Again, same movement, nothing to call here. Sold at 38.78. Let's go to the 1 hour. Again, we had the bullish divergence. So again, I wasn't too keen on looking at the charts, right? Because we knew we had stuff that could play out. So price action to the upside. Give the rally. Rejecting, managing to hold on to 24,629, and then trying to get above this area. And right now below 20. Looks like we're going to test it. Again, tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come in. You know what happens, right? Volatility of the market, we get a wild move. And yeah, we're probably gonna test the 20 as resistance. I hope we break above it. That's gonna be good. Otherwise, we're gonna be in trouble with XRP. By the way, thank you guys so much for coming in so late and watching this show. I know you probably have other stuff to do, and it's really, really humbling to have you guys here and joining me tonight. Really, for reals. Sitting neutral at 46.79 on the RSI. So again, you see consolidation, right? We're really undecided as to where we want to go, right? We dropped, we tried to recover, then we dropped again. Now we're trying to recover, fell a little bit, right? So if you want to consider this something, right, and ignore the impulse down, you could try to look at this as a sort of symmetrical triangle. I'm not going to pinpoint it right now, but we could be looking at symmetrical triangle, right? And part of the reason I want to pinpoint it is because the wick, right? If you want to use the wick, then we'll be going like that. I believe the wick might be FOMO. We get good touch points here, here, and here if I ignore that wick. So we could be looking at a symmetrical triangle, right? So that could break either way. And it would confirm our theory that, you know, we're consolidating within a triangle. With that, let's move on to Litecoin. What is happening with Litecoin, dude? Litecoin at $50, dude. 50.01 cents. Like 50 on the dot, man. Waiting for it to load, man. Again, for some reason it's taking forever, dude. The charts have been super slow today. Probably a lot of people checking them out. There we go. Awesome. Alright, bearish. It's hidden bullish, right? We call that. Price action upside, then we drop down. Nothing on the daily. Lower, more negative. Lower on the RSI. Neutral. Sorry, sold at 38.42. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Bearish, right? Action to the downside. We haven't developed anything since, right? Lower low. We were looking at this yesterday. So we don't have anything yet. We haven't developed anything since. Again, sitting sold at 33.04. Impulse down, consolidation, right? Not the best looking consolidation. Let's go to the 1 hour. Bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, right? Broke above the 20, fell to sustain, broke below, briefly, regained, and right now we're breaking below. How are we doing something here? High, lower, high, possible, possible. Again, we have the hidden. I didn't look for this one on XRP. It might have it, you know. I skipped it probably. Going there, right? The hidden bearish for price action to the downside. Yay. That's the 1 hour though. Right on. And we also have it here on the RSI. And then just against the RSI to just, you know, put the bearish cherry on the cake, on the bearish cake. We have this hidden bearish also against the RSI, right? Sitting neutral right now, 41.76. Let me that's it for Litecoin. I'm just gonna touch back here on XRP because I might have missed this one, or I probably didn't call it. Come on, charts. Yeah, there we go. Right, look, there we go. Look, man, no hands. Yeah. We also have it here against the RSI, right? We haven't developed it on the second time. Like what was this other coin? Litecoin did. With that, let's go check out the Binance. What is happening with Binance on the daily? Again, hidden bullish, potential rally. We hit the rally, very little, 3.03%. If I was to anchor it here, we would no longer be looking for that divergence, right? But we do have it here. It's just one of those things that I don't want to ignore. I should ignore it. Instead, we don't have it, so I'm gonna do that because that's where we technically go, right? The near the lowest low that we here. So there we go. We no longer have it. Yay, we lost it. Now this is from the 1 hour. Yeah, it's probably from the 1 hour. But we'll check it out there. It makes no sense. Those lines being there. Wow. Spotify ads. So that means we've been live for about 30 minutes. Yay. Awesome. They usually come around every 15 minutes or so, right? There we go. Play this track. Right on, let's go to the 4 hour. What's happening on the 4 hour chart, man? Double tops, right? bearish action to the downside. Now, I'm pretty sure we had the line here that I called the other day, because it would make sense that we have it here. For some reason, it's not showing up. So, and then we would have that same move here. I'm not sure if I deleted this or if this is from the 1 hour. This might be from the 1 hour, probably. It's showing on all time scales, so we'll leave it there and we'll see, right? I'm not sure we're going sideways here. So let me move this a little bit. Yeah, we are going sideways, right? From the red to the red. Yeah, there we go. Right on. So sideways motion, bearish divergence, action to downside on a double top. Move down, nothing here. That is bullish, trying to rally. You know, failing, just like the rest of crypto, right? Not doing a lot. It's consolidating. Sold at 38.72. Let's go to the 1 hour. I probably forgot to anchor these on the 4 hour, so it's just gonna show up there. Yeah, it is. Look at that, man. Right? F and L, man. Elfin L. Getting real stuff. What am I doing? This all should go on the 4 hour, man. I'm correcting the wrong side. Remake. There we go. Dang it. Awesome. There we go. Ah, there we are. Yeah. We had the bullish divergence, price action to the upside. We did manage to move slightly lower here. Right, to be fair. And so from here to here on the 1 hour. Right. And we're also going from here to here, right? And we also have it here against the RSI. So I have the strong bullish divergence action to the upside, right? Failed at 20, or failed to hold on to a 20. Rejected, going slightly higher, and then higher, and right now slightly lower. We don't have anything here to go on, right? High, low, high. Do we have something here? High, same height, a little bit coming in, diverging here against the MACD, right? We could use that one as type 2 bearish divergence. There we go, and yeah, there we go, right? Price action to downside, hit 20, held on to it. We're not trying to move down again. That's about it, though. Neutral at 44.52 on the RSI. We did get a request for land. Let's go check out land. I think I've already opened land before, so I think it's towards the end of my charts. Land, here it is. Here it is, man. I found it. Yo, West for like Chovy, we're gonna do land, man. I hope you're still with us. I'm not sure how many people are watching, but if you're still watching, we're checking out land. Coming low. Alright. Let's go on the daily first. So, okay, we didn't have anything on land on the daily. We created something from here to here. And then from here to here, right? Strong bearish divergence. Potential for price action to the downside. With that, we are moving down. So that's great. Again, more negative momentum, right? So we're creating some hidden bullish. Low, higher low, and then, you know, from here to here. And from here to here, right? So again, same stuff going on there. Getting that potential bounce, hitting the 20, rejecting right now, rejecting again. So neutral at 51.91. Managed to gain 28.11%. Very, very nice gains on land. Yeah, I'm just gonna type this out here. Yep, it's fine. Anyways, with that, what else is happening? All right, now it's getting some land. Let's go to the 4 hour. What do we create on the land, dude? Right, low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on their side, lower on their side. We don't have anything here. Low, lower, negative, more negative, right? Low on their side, lower on their side. Nothing here for bounce. There's nothing that I can tell. From here to here, we're going higher. Right on the 4 hour. Creating that strong bearish divergence against the MACD, right? That's what broke us down. I'm not sure we have it against RSI. 77.28 and then 77.33. So slightly higher here. Right on. So moving down, that's great. Neutral at 48.35. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. and see what's going on there. $7.43.72. Right on. This looks good, right? So we're coming from here to slightly less, right? On the other side, don't think we have it. We're going lower, but we do have that strong bullish against the MACD, and with that, we're getting the rally to happen. High, lower, high again. I'm gonna hate this one here. Let's anchor this to the 1 hour. So it wants to be on the 1 and the 4. Alright, and we're going from here to there, right? And here to here. So hidden bearish, potential for movement down or rejection at around this area. We're getting that movement down, sitting at 0.63 cents. That's very, very good. With this, I'm gonna check out some coins that I'm also in. RSR, right? 0.21. It managed to gain a little bit. And I'm still taking a massive, massive, massive hit on RSR, man. Taking a 32% hit, right? Almost a third of my dough on RSR. Not doing anything here on the daily that we can look at. Let's go to the 4 hour. It should have some bear data, so nothing here that we can chart either, right? Maybe some strong bullish from here to here. Just short term though. Right, 4 hour, there we go. And from here to here. Awesome. Neutral at 41.55. So let's go to the 1 hour. What is the 1 hour doing? Come on, load up. I believe we're going to have some bullish divergence from here to here. I just need the oscillators to load up. Load up, man. Why do I have... Is it an alert? Why do I want an alert here, man? That's weird. I don't want an alert. Get rid of it. Yeah, I want to delete that alert. Yes. There we go. Yeah, see, we're calling for bullish. We have it there. Right here. And from here to positive, right? Strong bullish. Price action to the upside, getting the rally to come in, right? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful rally. Potential for moving up, right? That's what we want. That's what we want, man. There we go. Right on. So high, about the same height, and we're diverging. Jesus, yeah, we are. Again, we have this to the midnight candle, where we're at right now, and we're going from a high point to a lower point, right? Creating a little bit of divergence there. Type 2 bearish, potential for moving down. Neutral at 54.76 on the RSI. So again, not so tight on the Bollinger Bands here, right? Rejecting the top part of the Bollinger Bands, but you know, hope this project has a lot of potential for recovery still. So, but it's gonna depend on what the rest of crypto does, right? If Bitcoin manages to tank, it'll take us down with it. Let's go check out DVT, man. Let's reload. Reloading. DVT at 6.0. It's not doing anything. I'll get some indicators out, but we're really not doing much. I mean, do we want to go from here to here and go from the lowest point to the now lowest point here and say we have some strong bullish? We could get that rally, right? That's about it, though. Here, I wouldn't do it because we're ignoring this island. the only thing I can see here. Here to here we're going higher, right? And we're coming slightly lower here. We called that bearish divergence yesterday, right? That bearish divergence is going from here to here, and being strong bearish divergence to that, from there to there, and there to there. Actually, the downside. Check. Now we're starting to like consolidate around this area. We don't have anything going on here, right? So the last thing we have is this bullish here. Everything else looks good here. So with that, let's move on to the 4-hour chart for DVT. DVT, man. Right, it's loaded now. Awesome. Low to low, right. Alright, that's good. We can work with this. Right, coming in to a lower low. Anywhere from a low point to a higher point, right? Strong bullish. Here, we do have a tiny island there that we can anchor to now. Finally, different island. There we go. Creating strong bullish again. Price action to the upside. We got a small pump, but really just holding on at 6, dude. I think GL Torian, I'm not sure if you're with us, dude, but this thing did manage to drop to 5 briefly. And that could have been a good in for you. That you want to get in at 5, so I'm not sure if you got your in. Sorry guys, I gotta type this out real quick. Let's go to daily. What's happening on the daily? Right on. So, right, we're coming low with the more negative momentum, lower on the RSI, right? Nothing I can save here, right? Yeah, you can see, right? So, yeah, nothing here, dude. All right, last thing we had here, we called, right? High to low, low to high. Right, we had that hidden bearish, right? Action to downside. That's what's just been playing since, right? There's nothing else developing here on the daily for DVT. Let's go check out something else, man. RSR gaining 7.1% today. It's good, I guess. I think it's one of the few coins that's actually recovering nicely. This stock point huge today, dude. On a daily, it did manage to go up like 10%. Right. It's a good gain, dude, compared to what was happening everywhere else. Jay, how's it going, dude? You need my coin tree in description. Yeah, I know, dude. I forgot to place it there. I was saying that at the beginning of the stream. I'll send it to you on the here on what this thing is, dude. Discord. There you go. It's up there, dude. Right? Sorry. I think I gotta point the other way. It's up there towards that corner, right? The set of crypto, and then you go farther back that way, and you'll see it's tiny. I'm not sure how visible it's gonna be. Yeah, no worries, bro. Dude, you were late. I was late, dude. I started like very, very late today. And towards that side, right? So again, I'm not sure how visible it is on the stream. I do have it here on my monitor. I think it's tiny. It's almost it's barely visible. I'm not sure if the message is gonna be easy to see. But you know, I was trying to get it to be clear so I could play it sit somewhere and then it could maybe pop up and disappear as needed. But I'm not sure how to code that into this. So you know, I had to place it somewhere where it wouldn't like distract very much from what we already have here on the layout, right? So yo, with that, we'll figure it out, man. Yeah. What else you guys want to look at? Let me know in the chat. Oh, dude. Apple went up today also. Right now it's up 10%. Right now it's at 8.95. Just got a little pullback. But again, it's at 0.83 cents, dude. This coin dropped massively, right? If you bought in at 250, probably got a massive drop to 80.83. So he's going up 5. A couple minutes ago, it was a little bit higher, right? A couple minutes ago, it was sitting at like 18% gains, right? Not bad if you're like getting in here. Really bad if you get in here. You're still taking a massive, massive hit, right? I'll even go from here and be a little bit more given here, and say you're losing about 62% of your value. don't feel bad. I'm losing 30% of my value on RSR. 33%. I think that's what we determined, right? So to get that measure moving, we figured out that one there. Bitcoin API been slow, so it might not show. Recent tip, maybe it will be there next stream. Maybe, dude. If you had more Bitcoin Cash, it would show instantly. No worries, bro. It's fine. I haven't placed the DBT address yet. I was going to do that, and I did open the wallet. And then I just didn't get around to placing it. Again, I had unexpected visitors today, and it was fun. I'm in my 4th or 5th gin and tonic. So it was fun, dude. Again, I'm losing 24% of my value now. Yeah, it's getting good, dude. Because a little bit ago I was losing almost 30 still. Sorry, I didn't take it from the top, dude. From here, right? So from here to here, right? I'm losing 31% of value. Check the country to add messages for DBT soon. That's gonna be cool, man. I know you're very active, dude. Dude, you see that drop to like 50 or 5 sats today? That's insane, dude. I hope Jill Charing got his in. I know he was looking for it, so what else, dude? I was talking to Pest the other day. He said there's no way this is gonna go to 5. It already hit 5, and that was like, I think Thursday. No, when did we do his stream? Tuesday. He said there's no way it's gonna go there. That was the first, right? And it took a while, but it did hit 5 and took a bounce, right? Chovy, dude. Yeah, dude. I'm not sure if you were here. I already did land. What's my thoughts on Nim? I'll check out Nim. You might get some more. Yeah, I was thinking about adding it also, dude. I have about $100 on my ad. I'm not sure where though. Let's go check out Nim. Nimblewimble! It's sitting at $1. Nah, where is it sitting at? 1%. Sorry, it's sitting at 0.004 cents. Oh, man. It's just taking forever to load. Again, for some reason, like, TradingView has been super slow today. Yo, no worries, dude. You have kids, you gotta tend to them. Same stuff happens to me, right? Sometimes they cry, you gotta put the stream on hold, go check on them. I'll go back to Len, don't worry, man. So you don't have to, like, go searching for it. I did ask you, though. I was gonna go up the stream and let you know that I was gonna do it. But, sorry, on Discord, but I'll just check it out again in a second, right? So what's going on with this, right? Low, lower, low, slightly on the daily. Right, so from there to there. All right. Let me just make sure I'm on the daily here. Sorry, Jay. I was just checking, make sure nothing has happened yet. So, but thanks for the tip, dude. Again, getting that move right. Strong bullish potential for price action to the upside. We also have it here. Right. If I go from here or here, it's the same. Going slightly in here. Neutral at 41.73. So again, on the daily, it would suggest that we could go up. Maybe hit that 20 simple moving average or that 20 exponential moving average. Sorry. At 0.0047. Yeah, but we'll check it out there. Let's go to the shorter time scales and see if we have coinciding variables here that we can look for, right? Again, just taking forever to load, man. It's super weird. Again, I'm not sure why this is going super slow, dude. There we go. Awesome. All right. Closing 4128. Closing 4125. All right. But again, it's just such a fraction of a cent that I'm just gonna go say we're going sideways and said we're going on type 2 bullish divergence. So medium bullish divergence, potential for price action to the upside. Getting that rally, getting near the 20, but really failing to break above it. And again, we also have it against the RSI, right? And going slightly higher still, sitting neutral at 43.33. So we have bullish on the daily. We have a sort of bullish on the 4 hour. And again, I just want to make sure I anchored properly. And I didn't, right? Let's see, fuck. I think alcohol is impairing my judgment for anchoring. I've just been skipping anchoring all night, dude. That's not good. There we go. Again, do we have something here? High, lower, high, positive, positive, high, lower, no, nothing here. Let's go on to the 1 hour. Come on, it just take forever today, dude. Charts are super slow. God, they were loading faster earlier. And I know my internet's working fast because everything else is going smooth. It's just TradingView that's acting super slow. So let's see if I change coins if it loads. You know, just taking forever, man. You get a large bag of NIM. If it's $1, you'll be set. It's pretty good, man. So it's loaded. Awesome. Let me reload, see if I can get this website to work a little bit faster. Hope it saved some of the work I did. I forgot to hit save before I reload it. Fuck, it took me all the way back to RSR, and I wasn't even on RSR. So, there you go, NIM. I don't think it saved anything. Wow, I'm not sure how much work I just lost by doing that. So we had the bullish here. I hope I didn't lose what I looked for in Lend. So let's go to the 4 hour again. There we go, right? It's starting to load faster. Probably something off with the website when I had it open prior, so. Awesome, it's good. Right side was motion on the price. Coming in and coming in here as well. Right. Type 2 bullish. Potential for action to the upside. Nearing the 20. Let's go to the 1 hour. There we go. Yay, it loaded. Alright, on. So, okay. Low, lower, low. Just a short time scale though, right? The 1 hour time scale. Bring the time lords here. There we go. We can even go here, right? And say that we're going with the slant divergence here, right? Bounce, hit the 20, reject, came lower. As we would expect it to do after a rejection. And let's see here. 33.69, 34.70. Again, going in like that, right? So again, even from here, right, to here. Coming in lower. Going, here we're coming in lower, I think. Yeah, maybe, yeah. So again, we have this strong bullish divergence, potential for price action to the upside. We broke above the 20. We're hitting bounces at the 20. We're getting tightness off the Bollinger Bands a little bit. Right? And waiting for a violent move to potentially happen here. Now, are we creating something? High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high on their side, higher, right? And the previous high being this one, coming to low. Again, this one could potentially bring trouble, right? Or it probably already brought trouble from here. Right? Probably part of the reason that we rejected here at the 20. From there to then, from there to there, right? Having that hidden bearish. But right now we have strong bullish, so we gotta wait for that to play out. Right? That's what I'm seeing here. Again, I'm not sure how close it is following the rest of crypto. Let's check out how it behaved, right? So it tanked the first time. It didn't tank as hard the second time. Sorry, it didn't tank the first time. It tanked the second time. Yesterday everyone was recovering. This one kind of moved down a little bit more, and today's recovering a little bit. So yeah, not too bad, right? So again, the 4 hour, I forgot to anchor to the 4, man. It's been insane tonight. I just like forget to anchor all the time. Anyways, let's go back to land. It was here towards the end because I looked at it a couple days ago. Land, there we go. It didn't erase itself. Yay! Alright, so again, we have the hidden bullish, right? Got the rally, hit the 20. Right now it looks like we want to reject, right? We hit it again and we're moving down. Gotta wait for it to develop a little bit more, right? See what's gonna happen. If we go for it again and we break above it, that's fine. We can try to use it as support. But if we keep on rejecting at this area, we could go for lower prices, right? So that's it for this on land. Neutral on the RSI at 51.66. Let's go to the 4 hour. We didn't call anything here because we didn't have anything going on here. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI, lower, right? The only thing we have, I don't want to call it, but maybe I should here, right? It's from here to here. It's hidden bearish. Hidden bearish divergence. Price action to the downside, right? We're hitting that 20, trying to find a bounce there. That's the only thing I can see right now. Everything else looks good, right? So with that, let's go to the 1 hour chart. So, okay, we had the strong bullish, right, against the MACD. Got the rally and created hidden bearish against the MACD and the RSI. So we could begin the movement down, hitting the 20 probably on the 1 hour chart. That 20 right now is sitting at 0.61. So $0.61 or 61.31 cents. That's where it's sitting at, right? Again, I gotta wait for this. And then NIM, dude, yeah, I mean, if it ever gets to $1, you'll be good. But it's so low right now that I would say if it gets to 40 cents, be happy, dude. Or 4 cents, right? At 4 cents, you'll be doing 1,000 times right now. And if it goes to 40 cents, you'll be doing 10,000 times right now, right? So again, take gains, take profit when you can. Particularly if you're doing 10,000 or above or 1,000 and above. It's a good time to take profits, right? Sometimes even if you're doing 100% and above, it's good to take profits or take some profits, and then if it goes down, you can reinvest those profits, right? And you can get a larger position to go there, right? If you just want to hodl and add, again, that's a strategy and that's up to you, but take advantage of the market moves. Someone asked about YFB yesterday. That one's moving up a little bit today, so 9% after a large movement down. I'm not going to go into detail. RSR getting 7.57%, man. Yeah. I'm still taking a massive hit though. So let's go check out Bitcoin again. Yo, Jake, did you get your kid this weekend? I didn't ask you. I know you have. I know sometimes you get your kid on the weekend, so I'm not sure if you have your daughter with you. So I know you're a busy dad on the weekends. So I just want to know how things are going for you. All right, you get your kid. Awesome, dude. That's cool. So am I looking at RSR? I didn't want to look at RSR. I wanted to look at Bitcoin. It's starting to move down. Oh no. Okay, so remember what's happening on Bitcoin. We have this line here at 10,547. This is on the Coinbase chart that we have. We're rejecting that area, right? We don't want to reject that area. We really want to get above that area again as fast as we can. Being above that area really makes it very possible for us to come and close the CME gap. That is around 9,600. So we're really $900 away. And Bitcoin has been known to take massive drops. So, again, things that are happening on the chart we usually look at, which is the Gemini chart. We're above 10,240 or 43, right, which is good. But we rejected 10,647, which is bad. So, again, a moving down could be getting to hold support here. But if we held support, again, 9,650 wouldn't be weird, right? That's the next target, and that is more or less where the CME gap is at. And just to confirm, we're going to go check out that CME gap. Right, look at that, right? That CME gap at at 9,000, 9,900 to 9,660, right? And here, what do we say we're looking at? 9,650, right? So again, a movement to hit this area support could potentially have us close the CME gap. It's not bad. Chovy did my two. I have small bag of land and a big bag of NIM. Right, that's awesome, bro. Yeah. I'm a little bit more diversified. I have a little bit more assets, but you know, just more assets, the more shit you have to worry about, right? But again, the more likely it is that not all of them are going to crash as hard. Usually that would be the thing if we're looking at regular markets, but you know it's crypto, so if one crashes or Bitcoin crashes, very likely the whole market's going to move down. So again, on the 4 hour, right, we don't have anything. We're waiting for consolidation. We're rejecting. It looks like we're curving off again. Could be coming down here to retest 10,243. Not what I want to see. And on the 1 hour, right, tightness of the Bollinger Bands, bearish divergence hidden, action to the downside. Trying to break above the 20, but failing, right? Failing once, twice, 3 times. You know what happens. We tend to come lower. So again, retesting 10,243 wouldn't be weird if we try to run without anything, except this bullish divergence that we have here. Well, I mean, we could. It is strong bullish, and this is hidden bearish, so it has more. Let's say it has more power. This just means continuation. This means reversal, right? So we're getting that reversal. Continuation, we could drop a little bit and then keep on running, right? So, worried about the tightness, though. Look at here, we tighten for a couple hours, right? Not many. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we expanded, right, on the 5th. 1, 2, 3. So maybe 2 more hours and we could expand. I'm hoping it's going to be a slow weekend. Chovy, I'll tell you my sad story. I bought Bitcoin at $4. Got hacked and lost $600,000 when it was worth $20,000. Wow, shit, dude. That sucks. Bro, that sucks. But that means you've been around in crypto for a long ass time, dude. You're damn, dude. When Bitcoin was $4, we're probably talking about not even 2011, dude. Probably 2008. So 2009, 2010, maybe. That's a very, very long time ago. I'm not even sure if any of my charts could go that far back. This one just goes back to 2017. This one maybe? 2015, right? At 2015, we were talking about $300 Bitcoin. So maybe this one? Bitstamp, Bitstamp to 2012. It was worth 10, 8, far. It hit a 4 in 2011, so maybe 2011, right? 2011, 2010. Look at Coinbase Exchange. Look, Coinbase didn't go that far back. Right, that was the one I was looking at. This one. It just cut off at 2014, 2015. So that was on the 200s, right? On Bitstamp is where I was able to go farther back. Really traveling to time and look at the inception of Bitcoin. Now, but look at this, right? August 2011, right? Sitting around $10, $11. Wow, that's a long time ago. Dude, that sucks that you lost that much money. For reals. Again, Ethereum, right? Strong bullish. Trying to get the rally, but failing. Dude, Ethereum still managed to hold support at 364, Jake. And you were calling for it like 360 way back here. 340. But we haven't dropped this level, man. It's good on Ethereum. Right now, I'm not so confident that we shouldn't be hitting 240 like you called way back here, but we still have support at the 364 that we gotta look for. Right? Oh, dude, XRP starting to turn red. Come on, XRP. You can do it. Bite its freaking head off. What was that one from Little Nicky? Was that one from Little Nicky? I can't remember. I think it's like Rob Schneider that comes out and said like, you can't do it, bite its freaking head off. And I think Aussie just bites the vampire's head off. If Ethereum bursts through 480, it'll go to 800. Not sure, dude. We have to like trace stuff, right? Like, I would have to look for areas. We didn't even get to 507, right? Also, once we reach 507, that we have resistance there, I would definitely go back and look for other resistances up here, right? I wouldn't call 800 a straight shot. Probably can peek somewhere around here, right? Find something, and or here, or here, right? Here, right? So once we burst through 507, I'll check it out. But right now we gotta get to 418 again, and then 507. And we'll take it from there, right? On Ethereum. I think we're gonna call it a stream, dude. It's late. I gotta wake up early tomorrow. Going out of town, so there's not gonna be a stream tomorrow. Remember, no stream tomorrow. So maybe stream on. No, not maybe. Definitely stream on Sunday. I'm not sure what time I'm still gonna get into town, but there will be a stream on Sunday, regardless of what time I get in. That's a for sure thing. That is according to Ivan on Tech. Look, it's not gonna be a straight shot, right? Look, I'll go back and tell you why. Oh, snap, dude! I'm starting to like get hit by those strong gin tonics, dude. Alright, so that's the 418 that we're targeting there. Alright, look at this, right? Look at this. We've hit rejection here, right? We've had support here, right? Held support here, right? Rejected here once. Managed to hold on support. Held support here of the wick. So again, 507 could be a potential area we can stall. And again, if I go here, right, and you will look at this line, Alt H, just so we can look at it, right? Look, support, 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 right? Again, support here. So we could be looking at 671 to be another area where we could hit a couple times, right? And maybe even here, close to 800, right? We could get some a little something. But I'm not gonna call those yet. You know, once we break above these areas, we can go back and look at the other ones. Like I said, dude, take it a day at a time. If you think just because we're gonna burst through 480, we're gonna go to 800, that is hopium, and hopium's gonna get you wrecked, right? Take it a day at a time, dude. Any thoughts on what guy? Ivan on Tech? I haven't seen him, dude. I know he exists. I see some of his tweets, but I never checked out his channel. Maybe I should. So I wouldn't be able to tell you any thoughts. I mean, I think he has a lot of followers, and I think he's one of the largest. I'm not gonna say he's actually the largest, but he's one of the largest channels out there for crypto. So, yeah, he's doing something right. I mean, you know, he's probably been around for a long time as well, and that's gonna help him with that. But you know, there's really nothing I could say because I haven't seen his channel and I don't know the guy personally. Right? There's very few people that I've seen on crypto. He live streams every day. That's pretty cool. Blockchain Academy. What is a Blockchain Academy? Well, yeah, dude. I can tell you something about someone else, though. You know this guy's Ross from Warrior Trading. I'm not sure if you've ever seen Warrior Trading, but if you get a chance, I'm not even sure if they're still on YouTube. But check out Warrior Trading, right? It's one of those things that where you can like, you know, my brother did it, and you pay, you get into his class, and then he talks about the place that you learn to program in blockchain. That's cool, dude. Again, I'm not gonna argue against that. That's worth it. Pump and dumper. Yeah, like when you're a fairly sized channel and small projects approach you and they pay you big money and you accept it and you talk about the project, you're gonna tend to have that effect on small projects, right? Where you're gonna basically go to the upside because you talked about it, right? A lot of people it's gonna peak interest. It's probably gonna pump, and then it's gonna dump, and that project's probably gonna pay you on their crypto. And the fact that you talk about it and you make it pump, and then you sell it, right, and you capitalize it at a higher gain, you have that power, let's say, over the market, right? So again, just beware with Ross. My brother played that. He was trying to get into day trading. I told him to be careful. He got wrecked a couple times. I mean, the guy does trading. If you're in the live session, he charges like an arm and a leg. But if you're in the live session, that guy went from like $500 to $1 million in like 2 years. So just trading stocks, day trading. So he tells you how to do it, but he's online teaching his class, and he's telling you what he's gonna buy, how much he's gonna buy, what his entries are, what his exits are. He tells you not to do it, but everyone that's following him on the class, on the live class, is taking the same position that he's taking. Thus, when he gets into the penny stocks and buys a sizable chunk, he gets the market to pump, and then the whole stock rises because he put money into it, and a lot of people start putting money into it. And then once at the top, he sells off, and he tells people he's going to sell off. So he sells, and then by the time he sells, it just cascades down, right? So if you can get out before him, you're probably going to struggle to get out because he's just going to crash it. And that's what's going to happen, right? He goes in, he talks about the asset pumps, he already has his position, and he put it live, and then he takes it away as he's hitting the top, or whatever he considers to be his top. And, it's a sort of manipulation of the market, right? Particularly with penny stocks that have a little bit of shares outstanding, so not too many shares, where you can buy a little, get people to come in and buy a whole bunch more. They rise the price for you, then you exit, and then you leave them hanging there as they try to all scramble out of the position because they just saw you exit, so now they want to exit. So it really becomes a bloodbath. So I wouldn't suggest it. So I mean, when large YouTubers talk about a small project, they tend to have that effect, right? It's an effect, sometimes unwillingly, sometimes willingly, but I would give them the benefit of the doubt and say that they're not really trying to get the project to pump. They probably get paid for the project or by the project, so now they got to talk about it. And because they have a sizable audience, the fact they talk about it, they spark the interest, and it makes it pump up, right? Man, water trading is $6K a year. Yeah, dude, it's expensive. But there's like a free 30-day trial or something, and I think you just pay $5 to be on the live chat on the live stream. So he does it like privately. But that guy went from there were articles written about him because he went from $590 or $540 to $1 million in 2 years just by trading. At first he started with leverage, then he started by doing some other stuff. Right? You bought a little lifetime access to Bulls on Wall Street, but now you can't access it. Wow, that sucks, dude. Yeah, dude, at least right now, I'm not on a point where I think I'm going to be selling anything. The information's out there is free, man. There's all sorts of information out there that's easily available and free for everyone. Bitcoin Jake 2 a.m. is going to bed. Yeah, dude, I'm about to go to bed as well, dude. It's almost 1 in the morning for me. But I just want to drive this point real quick. Dude, Chubby, there's a lot of information out there, right? And it's free. You don't have to pay for it. I'm a firm believer on that. If you just want to do your own research and get some stuff, you just gotta read and study, dude. Right? None of this comes as magic. You gotta put time, trade, take hits, learn how to cover yourself, learn how to enter, exit positions, and all that comes with practice, right? Theory, it's a good thing, but once you're practicing and your arms and legs start sweating. It's a little bit there, you should endorse a course or something that's more like in the $50 range. Dude, I'm not sure, man. I really don't want to do a trading course. Not yet, dude. I mean, if I do anything at all, maybe it would be a small Patreon. And I wouldn't even make it that expensive, dude. I want to make this as successful as I can to many people, right? So, maybe something where we could do something private. put a private stream, and then I can access and analyze coins for because if at some point in time this channel does get a lot of people, right? Let's say thousands and thousands of people, the chat's gonna be so overwhelming. I'm not gonna be able to attend all the people like I do right now, right? You can come in and ask for 3, 2, 4, 5, 6 projects, and I will check them out because there's really not a lot of people asking for them. But if it ever gets to that point where I'm like really, really getting snap camera, see if it focuses again. Nope, I'm blurry. There we go. Either I'm blurry or the camera was drunk, right? Anyways, if it gets to that point, what I want to do is set up a Patreon for the people that want to donate a little bit more to the channel, right? And basically be one of those things that if someone requests a coin on the Patreon, they're gonna have like first access, right? So I will do probably a special stream for them where I will check out what they say, but yeah, dude, thanks, man. I appreciate that. I'm not sure, man. I've never been on Udemy. I know it exists. I'm not sure. I mean, I can talk about it here, man. I can teach it here. It's no problem. For me, I mean, I do this because I like it, right? Yeah, if I make money on the way, that's fine. I'm not sure if a Udemy or a Patreon or something, right? Like right now, I'm just trying to like grow the channel. Like I've been doing this for about a year, or like more than a year now. I missed a couple days here and there. Check out Cali Baja. I'll check it out, dude. I'm actually writing it down now. But yeah, I need to get material in so I can start doing this, right? Like talk about patterns, candlestick patterns. But again, all this information, dude, it's free out there, man. I'm not like, maybe I can explain it properly or easily or, however you want to describe it. But all this information out there is free, man. You can find it anywhere. You can read it up on it, and it doesn't cost you anything, right? That's why I don't believe I'm not selling anything that's like, let's say, like I'm not selling something that's trademarked or particular to me or of intellectual property. Right, I'm like selling things that are like live. You search YouTube for live and crypto, and you found me. Awesome, dude. That was destiny. Dude, I've been trying to grow the channel, right? It's just taking me forever, man. Right now I think I'm at 236 subs. Yeah, 236, dude. In about a year and a month now, right? So, look, I'm not complaining. I'm happy. I'm happy that I have followers. I'm happy that I have subscribers. It's just taking forever, dude. It's just a grind, right? And there's other channels out there that have more followers. And, YouTube promotes that content because they have more followers and they get more views. So it's just going to be a grind, dude. For me right now, it's more about bringing awareness to the channel than bringing in or making you money doing other things, right? So, and the fact that I'm here and I'm able to explain to you like anything that you want live, I think that adds more value than doing any kind of course where it's just a pre-recorded video, and then if you have any doubts, you're kind of like stuck there because they didn't get explained, right? So I'm not sure, man. I mean, I gotta check it out. I'm not close to the idea of doing something like that, but I'm not sure if it right now is the right time to do that, right? Like right now, I want to focus on growing the channel. Maybe it's an outlet, right? Maybe it's a different way to grow the channel, where I can invite people to come and join me there, and then they can ask the questions here live. But yeah, I'll see, dude. Gotta figure out where or how I want to grow the channel basically right now, because I really want to get this to grow a little bit quicker. Go figure it out. So like right now, my channel got banned for like two months, and it's been heavy, dude, because I was growing at a rate of 1 or 2 subscribers per day. By that time, and just the fact that YouTube banned it just like really hurt the channel, because all of a sudden when I came back in, I had already lost a lot of subscribers, and it's just been a grind again. And I've been growing not a subscriber a day, maybe a subscriber a day. But in the last 28 days, I've gotten 14 subscribers. Right, it's not that bad, to be honest. So, yeah, we'll see. Right, about a month. I've been back for about a month. So yeah, about 28 days, 14 subs. About half, like maybe zero point 0.5 per day, a little bit less than 0.5 per day, but bro, I think I'm gonna call it a night, man. It's super late. It's 1 in the morning. Gotta wake up early tomorrow, and it's gonna be a very tiring day. But thank you for watching, dude. Thank you for being here. You're amazing, and you're awesome for being here. You share me on Reddit. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Any kind of awareness, dude. Like, for me right now, even though sometimes people send tips, for me, like, if anyone just wants to help out the channel, like, just bringing awareness to it, that's worth more right now than any coin is, right? And I've gotten tips, and they're good, man. I'm not saying they're bad or I'm not happy for them. I really appreciate the tips. But, like, if you guys want to help out the channel, like, bringing awareness to it, it's the best way to go about it, right? Because, yeah, that's what it's about right now, is the growth phase, right? So, like, once I can monetize it, tips, anything else would be good. Maybe once I can monetize it and I have tips, then I'll be a little bit more able to do other stuff instead of just, like, trying to get the channel to grow, right? Which is the main purpose right now. I was from Reddit and a couple of YouTube channels. I wasn't really getting a lot of pull from there. Most of the pull came from me just basically commenting and grinding on Twitter, and, other areas, but, we'll figure it out. Anyways, thank you guys for watching tonight. Again, this is Still Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. I'm super tired tonight, but I still had all the energy to come in here and do analysis for you guys. No stream tomorrow. Remember, stream on Sunday. Tomorrow is a day off. I'm going to be with my family. I need to spend time with them. I'll be out of town, so I'm not even going to have my computer. And I might be on Discord, but I'm not sure how good my internet connection is going to be. I'm going to be on like, a rural area that's probably not going to have the best coverage. And my friend's ranch, it's still outside of that small town and up on a little bit up in the mountains. So it's going to be good for the kids to go out, breathe some fresh air, get out of the city, and have a good time in nature. So, cell phone signal is probably not going to be the best. Thank you guys for being here again. Hope you had an awesome Friday night. I had a great time being here. A little bit blasted. Not too drunk, but a little bit drunk. Or a little bit happy, I should say, right? I'm not tipsy. Not too drunk. But yeah, dude, I hope you had a great time. Again, I hope the weekend is slow for us. Give us some consolidation. And then come back on Monday and maybe hit some bullishness. But we'll figure it out on Sunday. Again, that'll be all for tonight. Thank you for watching. Until then.